Welcome back to the channel, everyone. It's your pal Kyle here, and I'm back again with another video. And in this video, we're going to be taking a look at Polygon, as I've been receiving several requests to do so. So today's the day, let's get into it. And starting off nice and simple here over on Coinbase, observing a very basic 24-hour line chart of Polygon, formerly known as matic. Just another matic Monday, baby. Actually, I do believe it is Tuesday today. Anyway, cringy jokes aside, we see that Polygon was marching its way up higher in the 24-hour session, getting about as high as 38% before Dumpy McDumpface comes along and slams price action down to about the 36-cent mark, and then Polygon's just been straight consolidation sideways ever since. Polygon is currently up 4.3% on the day. It is down 1.17% on the week, and it is up 74.4% on the month, and up a nice whopping 2,685% on the year. We see that the trading volume is 305 million currently, and the market cap is coming in at 1.9 billion. In the trading activity, we see 58% of folks are on the buy side, and 42% are on the sell side. About Polygon, according to Coinbase, in a nutshell, Polygon matic is an Ethereum token that powers the Polygon network, a scaling solution for Ethereum. Polygon aims to provide faster and cheaper transactions on Ethereum using layer 2 sidechains, which are blockchains that run alongside the Ethereum main chain. Users can deposit Ethereum tokens to a Polygon smart contract, interact with them within Polygon, and then later withdraw them back to the Ethereum main chain. The matic token is used to pay transaction fees and participate in proof of stake consensus. Zipping over to CoinMarketCap, we see that Polygon is currently ranked number 64, trading at 37 cents with a max supply of 10 billion and a total supply of 10 billion, and according to CoinMarketCap, 5 billion of that is in circulation. Clicking on markets, we can see that Polygon can be purchased on Binance, as well as Coinbase Pro, Huobi Global, just to name a few. And popping over to Polygon.technology for a brief overview, Ethereum's Internet of Blockchains. Polygon is a protocol and framework for building and connecting Ethereum-compatible blockchain networks. Challenge: Ethereum is the blockchain development platform of choice, but it has its limitations. Low throughput, poor UX, gas, delayed POW finality, no sovereignty, shared throughput, clogging risk, tech stacks not customizable, and governance dependence. Many projects are exploring Ethereum-compatible blockchains as a way to mitigate these limitations while still leveraging Ethereum's thriving ecosystem. However, there is no specialized framework to build such blockchains nor a protocol to connect them. This introduces significant development challenges and causes ecosystem fragmentation. Solution: one-click deployment of preset blockchain networks, growing set of modules for developing custom networks, interoperability protocol for exchanging arbitrary messages with Ethereum and other blockchain networks, and modular and optional security as a service. Adapter modules for enabling interoperability for existing blockchain networks. When you click on technology, it goes into some more details here. Polygon provides the core components and tools to join the new borderless economy and society. With Polygon, any project can easily spin up a dedicated blockchain network, which combines the best features of standalone blockchains: sovereignty, scalability, and flexibility, and Ethereum, security, interoperability, and developer experience. Additionally, these blockchains are compatible with all the existing Ethereum tools, which is cool: MetaMask, MyCrypto, Remix, to name a few, and can exchange messages among themselves with Ethereum. Polygon technology is materialized through two major components: Polygon Framework and Polygon Protocol. Now, there's another YouTuber, a fella, his channel is called Phemex, and he goes into detail, quite a bit of detail actually, to what Polygon is, how it works. So for anybody that would like a more in-depth look, I would suggest checking out his video. I'll link it in the description down below. And into the much funner charts. In TradingView, we are looking at Polygon up on a daily. Starting off the price action here, at first glance, some might be looking at this as a giant bull flag. Looking left, I can see that in this area here was definitely when the absolute diamond hands were loading up on their positions. Congratulations to anybody that might be watching this that got in down there. Like, well done, well done. I see right here that this is the first sign of a change of behavior between buyers and sellers. Around January 6th, nice little pop here coming in on good volume, getting above above all the major notable moving averages. And then Polygon worked its way sideways for a short time and then began its nice trend to the upside. I see for the most part, it rallied off that 10 simple moving average on candle body closures. And anytime it did dip below that 10, it stabbed that yellow 21. And wouldn't you know, those bots and algos were sitting right there, buying up price action, thrusting it back above the 10, and then game on, baby, to the upside. I see some very epic candles coming in here as Polygon temporarily blew its lid inside this purple liquid zone. Anyway, that has a bottom side, mind out of the gutter. Anyways, that liquid zone has a bottom side around 42 cents and a top side around 55 cents. And I see that Polygon decided to play out a little bit of a correction here. Well, a pretty good correction, actually, coming down to that 30 simple moving average on candle body closures and finding its footing. Beautiful engulfing candle coming in right here around March 26, not only engulfing this candle here, but also closing above that yellow 21, working its way back up above the 10. And right now, it looks to me that these that the 10, 21, and 30 are looking to reposture themselves in a bullish manner. So even though it's dead center of the range between these liquid zones here, it looks like the bulls are really trying here to get this thing ready for another move to the upside. After big moves like this, I look for these consolidations and I do view them as overall healthy. I mean, things that just continue to march their way up eventually lead to these kinds of scenarios and these giant pullbacks. And it often traps a lot of folks in these areas here. So I do like to see these things cool off, especially if you're looking at it from a really long-term perspective. And Polygon happens to be one of those coins that I do view as a lot of potential in the future. Of course, I'm going to want to see the team deliver on all the things that they say they're going to deliver on and see continued development and growth within Polygon. And I don't see why it wouldn't have a good future, long term down the road. What I'm looking for right here is I want to see these daily candle bodies continue to close above these moving averages, get those repostured in a bullish manner, and then hopefully that leads to another test of this liquid zone. And getting inside this liquid zone likely will work its way very quickly to the top side. But at the end of the day, I want to see those daily candle body closures happening above 55 cents, confirm this as future support, and then I think that's when Polygon would be signaling, to me at least, that it's ready for another one of these epic moves. Dropping down to the RSI, I see that the RSI remains under pressure right now, lost the bullish control zone, trying to find its footing in the neutral zone, but has been rejected a couple times from this negatively sloped exponential moving average. The moving average does seem to be losing a little bit of its aggressive slope right now as the RSI looks to want to test it once more. So I'm going to keep my eyes on that. I'm going to want to see that RSI confirm back above that. I'd like to see this level off and regain its positive slope. Similar to back here, you can see that as soon as that moving average got a nice slope to the upside, big things happen, baby. Down here on the stochastics, a fresh cross to the upside in the neutral zone. They seem to have their sights set on the bullish control zone. So let's have some patience and see what those do over the coming days. And down below here on the MACD, I see that the moving averages are sloped to the downside, but the histogram is signaling a loss of momentum. So no signals present here, no death sentences present either, but let's just see what the MACD does over the coming days. If Polygon starts to close any daily candle bodies below this 21, 30, and 10, then it could initiate a test down to this liquid zone here that has a top side around 28 cents and a bottom side coming in at 27 cents. I don't view that as necessarily a probable scenario, but it's nice to keep it on my radar in case it does retrace to those zones. Then I can at least have a plan ready and waiting for that. I see that the 55 exponential moving average is coming into confluence with that area. So between the 55 and that liquid zone likely would be a bounce, assuming that the world isn't ending or some crazy black swan event hasn't entered the market at that point in time. So in other words, that could be a really good buy the dip opportunity if you didn't buy this right here on the 30 simple, which obviously right now looks like it was potentially the buy to be had there. But just going to have to interpret price action as things move along here. Seeing some consolidation right now is totally fine in my books. I do see some volume beginning to re-enter down here as well, getting above the moving average and beginning to engulf the last several days of volume read during this consolidation. So I would probably tip my hats to the bulls here. I would probably say that, it's looking more probable that it's going to work its way back up to this liquid zone here. But again, my conditions to be met for any major price action is going to be those daily candle body closures way up here. Anyhow, thanks so much for coming by and checking out this video. I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next one. And until I do, have yourselves a powerful day.